weights are way too heavy for me, but it's the only ones we have in the house, so as long as I just walk in. Yeah, I wanted to explain to you a little bit ako and ko. Ako is like the son pronoun for me, I, myself. Ko could be a shortened version of ako, or it could be something else that we can talk about later. Whenever you see ako, you can be sure that's going to be the son of the sentence. If you see ko, it doesn't automatically mean it's not the son, because sometimes people will shorten ako to just ko. That's okay. It's okay to take shortcuts.